Here's a Ugreen 140 watts, 25,000 capacity. So you can charge your laptop using this one. So your MacBook Pro or your gaming laptop, it can charge it. So in the front, you can see this one. On the side, it's just a label. On the bottom, another label. And on the other side, you'll see a button and a small screen. So you press this one, makita nyo yung remaining capacity niya, 43%. So on the top, dito nyo makikita yung mga USB port. So on the first one is the USB-C, middle is the USB-A, and last is yung USB-C. Andito yung 140 watts, so yung mga laptop mo, dito mo dapat isasaksak. And dito ka rin mag-charge yung power bank. So, eto siya, sobrang, medyo malaki siya compared to to some power banks, pero may mas malaki pa, like, may Ugreen na yung parang mataba siya and mataas. So, that's one of my option, pero I prefer this one since meron ako previous din nito. And nasira lang siya kasi nabagsak ko. And for size comparison, this is an iPad mini. So, ganyan siya kalaki. So, yun lang. I'm just sharing yung finds ko. Another thing, just remember, nakita nyo, medyo fingerprint magnet siya. So, dala ka na lang ng pamunas like this one to clean it up. Or if you don't care, then just leave it as is. So, yun lang.